Let us see fifth question now. Before sum we did square. Here we have to do the cube. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Let n be any positive integer. Euclid division lemma we are going to apply here. So the condition 3q plus r, remainder should be greater than or equal to 0. It should be less than 3. So the remainders, you consider the values from 0, 1 and 2. It will not extend more. Also, we should not write 3 because there is no equal symbol. Therefore, n can be of the form 3q plus 0 or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. How we got it? We substituted the remainder values in the place of equation. Now, take it one by one. If n is equal to 3q, make the cube of both sides, left hand side and right hand side. N cube is equal to 27 cube. If you multiply 3 times, we will get 27 and q 3 times, so cube. So I split it like that. 9 into 3q cube. I consider this 3q cube as m. We got now 9m here. Next, take the second condition 3q plus 1. If you do the cube on both sides, n cube is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. The formula of a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. So as per that, we will get so n cube is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. Apply the formula. If you apply, we will get a cube plus 3a square b, 3b square a plus b cube. If you multiply 3 times, 27q cube, 27q square, 9q plus 1. If you split 9, 3q cube. Why we should take 9? Because in the question they asked to prove 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So that we are splitting as per the 9. 9 3s are 27. So 9 3q cube, 9 3q square, 9q plus 1. Take out 9 from this. Now 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. As it is that plus 1 there. Now we got this equation format. 9 you keep as it is. This bracket term consider as m. So 9m plus 1. M is nothing but the bracket value, which is 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Now we apply the third condition. If n is equal to 3q plus 2, we have to do the cube of both sides. N cube is equal to 3q plus 2 to the whole cube. Apply the formula. If you apply, we will get 27q cube plus 8 plus 3q into 4 plus 3q the whole square into 2. So at last we will get this equation. Now split it. 9 3s are 27, 9 6s are 54, 9 4s are 36, that 8 as it is will be. Now take 9 from this 3. If you take out the remaining term 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. And then bring that 8 as it is plus 8. Now take this value as m. If you consider it as m, we will get 9m plus 8. 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Thus, n cube is either of a form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.